Still using traditional earthen kilns, low efficiency, high pollution, and high labor costs, this continuous carbonization furnace will completely revolutionize your carbonization process. Suitable for coconut shell, palm shell, rice husk sawdust, and various biomass materials, 24-hour continuous operation, closed-loop fuel recycling, energy efficient, and eco-friendly, delivers top-quality biochar. We provide complete production line, one-stop solutions, and EPC turnkey services. If you are interested, please feel free to contact us.